Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of our 10 days of JavaScript tutorial series. Okay, so the topic that we will be covering today is hoisting in JavaScript. So guys, what is hoisting? Hoisting in JavaScript is basically a mechanism where variables and declarations are moved to the top of their scope before code execution. Okay, so let me write you the definition. Okay, uh, it is a mechanism It is a mechanism where variables and function declarations are moved to the top of their scope before code execution. Okay, so guys, what happens here is the variable and function declarations, okay, they are moved to the top of their scope before code execution. Okay, so guys, let's understand hoisting with the help of code. Okay, let me declare some variables. Okay, so I will declare a variable age and I will console it down. We got undefined. Okay, okay, so what do you expect now? Now also we are going to get undefined. Okay, let's understand why we got undefined here. Okay, because um, let us see how JavaScript works under the hood. So guys, what has happened here is JavaScript, it moved the declaration, okay, to the top of the scope, okay, like variable age, and then our next part of code, that is console.log. Here we got the age as undefined, okay, and after that our portion is age equals to 23. So that's why we got age as undefined. It's a cool concept, guys. I hope you will enjoy this series, this video. Okay, let's understand hoisting with some another example. Okay, so guys, in this example we have initialized x earlier. Okay, so now what happened is, in this case JavaScript has declared um, x by default. Okay, and now x can be accessed globally. Okay, and we can also write, like, variable x. After that it will, in this case also it will move x to the declaration to the top of the scope. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, now we are going to make a function, and let's understand how hoisting works with function. Okay, like in function. Cool. Now you must be saying how we got John over here. Okay, so this is an example of hoisting. Okay, we got John over here because as we as per the definition of hoisting, it declares the scope to the top. So it has declared its scope to the top above the function hoisting. That's why first name is globally available even within that hoisting function and outside also. But last name is not accessible because it has been declared and initialized within that function hoisting, and now it is function scope, so can only be accessible within that function and not outside it. Okay, so let's try hoisting. Okay, under strict condition, like when we use strict. So in this case, if we do like this, okay, variable x after the initialization, it will work. But if I will remove this variable x from here, then it will throw an error. Okay, with use strict it does not work, like this way. Okay, so now guys, what I'm going to show you is uh, now how hoisting works for function declaration and function expression. So the concept of hoisting, it only works for function declaration and not for function expression. Okay, cool. We got our output. Okay, now let us do the same with function expression. we got an error, year is not a function. Okay, so let us uh, now let us look at one more topic, that is precedence. Okay, so guys, function initialization, or I mean to say variable initialization. Okay, uh, when we initialize any variable with a value, okay, so that initialization has higher precedence over function declaration. Okay, so in this case, if I console.log age, and I will, if I try to find out its type, so it will be giving me number. Okay, because initialization is variable initialization is having higher precedence than function declaration. Okay, so yeah, variable assignments is greater than, I mean to say, has more precedence than function declarations. Now one more one more concept. In this, I will be simply declaring a variable. Okay, I will not initialize it, I will simply declare it. And here I declare another function with the same name. Okay, so uh, friends, in this case, when I will be consoling the type of year, so I will get it as a function. Let's see. Okay, cool, we got function. Okay, so guys, I hope the concept of hoisting, that is moving the scope, okay, that is moving variable declaration and function declaration to the top of their scope. Okay, so guys, this is the topic, that is hoisting, that I find one of the most interesting topic in JavaScript. Okay, so if you have liked this video, then do give me a thumbs up, and do share my video and subscribe to my channel, that is dev channel. Thank you.